Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology, cybersecurity, and everything in between. Today, we're diving deep into 12 free platforms that hackers commonly use to hack websites in 2026. These tools were all over underground forums and shaped the way digital security evolved. Technology keeps evolving at a rapid pace, but understanding the tools and techniques of the past is crucial. By studying these old-school hacking resources, we can better defend against modern threats and anticipate what might come next. This isn't just a trip down memory lane. It's about learning the foundations of cybersecurity, seeing how far we've come, and appreciating the challenges that shape today's defenses. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, a student, or just someone curious about hacking history, you'll definitely find something valuable and eye-opening in this video. Quick reminder, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. We do not condone or encourage any illegal activity. Our goal is to inform and empower you with knowledge, not to teach hacking or promote unethical behavior. So, with that said, let's get started and uncover the secrets of the 2016 hacker arsenal. First up is Kali Linux, a name that's become legendary in the world of cybersecurity and hacking. It's the go-to operating system for ethical hackers, penetration testers, and even those with less noble intentions. Built on Debian, Kali Linux comes preloaded with hundreds of powerful tools designed for vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, digital forensics, and security research. Its out-of-the-box readiness means you can simply download the ISO, boot it from a USB drive, and you're instantly equipped with a professional-grade hacking environment. Kali's design is focused on stealth and efficiency. It leaves minimal traces on the system, supports custom scripts, and allows users to automate complex attacks, making operations more effective and covert. For anyone serious about cybersecurity, mastering Kali Linux is almost a rite of passage, opening doors to deeper understanding of digital defense and offense. Many of the advanced tools we'll explore today come pre-installed on Kali, making it the ultimate toolkit for both learning and real-world testing. Next up, let's dive into the Metasploit framework, a true powerhouse in the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Think of Metasploit as the hacker's power drill, a versatile tool that can break through digital barriers with precision and speed. Metasploit empowers both security professionals and hackers to discover, test, and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems, making it an essential toolkit for penetration testing. Metasploit revolutionized the field by automating attacks using a vast, ever-growing library of exploits and payloads, streamlining the process of launching sophisticated cyber attacks. Its modular design meant that new exploits could be added instantly, allowing hackers and defenders to stay ahead of the curve and respond quickly to emerging threats. With powerful post-exploitation modules, attackers can maintain access to compromised systems or escalate their privileges, making it even more challenging for defenders to detect and remove them. Security teams also rely on Metasploit to simulate real-world attacks, test their defenses, and identify weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. Ultimately, understanding how Metasploit works is crucial for closing security gaps and protecting systems, before someone with bad intentions finds and exploits those vulnerabilities first. Now, let's talk about Nmap, the ultimate network mapping tool. Hackers used Nmap to scan IP ranges, revealing every device, open port, and running service. It's like getting a building's blueprint before breaking in. Nmap could find hidden services and identify which ports were vulnerable. Scripts automated reconnaissance, making attacks faster and more precise. Today, both hackers and defenders rely on Nmap for network visibility. Regular Nmap scans are essential for anyone managing servers or networks. Next up is Wireshark, the network's microscope. Wireshark captures and analyzes every bit of data on a network in real time. In 2026, hackers used it to intercept unencrypted credentials and spy on user sessions. All it took was access to a local network, like public Wi-Fi, to uncover sensitive info. Defenders use Wireshark to spot suspicious activity and troubleshoot incidents. If your data isn't encrypted, Wireshark can expose it to anyone listening. It's a must-have for network engineers and a favorite among cybercriminals. Let's talk about Burp Suite Community Edition, a web app security essential. In 2026, Burp Suite was the go-to for probing websites for vulnerabilities. Its proxy let hackers intercept and modify web traffic, exposing hidden weaknesses. Even the free version enabled powerful manual testing to uncover major security holes. If hackers are using Burp Suite to test your site, you should be too. Understanding Burp Suite is crucial for web developers and site owners. Next up, SQLmap, the automated SQL injection tool. SQLmap made it easy, even for beginners, to find and exploit SQL injection flaws. Hackers could extract data, dump credentials, and gain admin access with a few commands. Its automation replaced tedious manual testing, making attacks fast and effective. SQLmap supported many database engines, adding to its versatility. The lesson: always sanitize inputs and use parameterized queries. SQLmap is a stark reminder that web security is never set and forget. Meet John the Ripper, the classic password cracker. In 2026, John could brute force or dictionary attack password hashes from breaches. It supported many hashing algorithms and could crack even strong passwords with time. Hackers use John for everything from website logins to encrypted files. The takeaway: use unique, complex passwords and enable multi-factor authentication. Password security is more than just picking a long word. Switching gears, Aircrack-ng, the Wi-Fi hacker's toolkit. In 2026, public Wi-Fi was everywhere and often insecure. Aircrack-ng let hackers capture Wi-Fi handshakes and crack weak passwords fast. Once inside, attackers could sniff traffic and target connected devices. It highlighted the importance of strong WPA2 encryption and regular monitoring. Wireless security is just as critical as web security. Aircrack-ng exposed how vulnerable unprotected networks could be. Next, Hydra, the relentless brute force tool. Hydra cracked login pages across protocols like HTTP, FTP, and SSH by cycling through username and password combos at high speed. Its parallelized attacks made it fast and flexible, even against sites with basic protections. The lesson: never use default credentials and always enforce strong password policies. Hydra thrives on weak security practices. Now, OWASP ZAP, the Z-attack proxy. ZAP automated the discovery of web vulnerabilities like XSS and insecure cookies. Its active and passive scanning found both obvious and hidden flaws. User-friendly and open source, ZAP was a favorite for hackers and defenders alike. If you build web apps, ZAP should be in your toolbox for regular security testing. Staying proactive is the best defense. Not all hacking is technical. Sometimes it's about people. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or CT, automated social engineering attacks like phishing. In 2026, ESET made it easy to craft convincing emails and fake login portals. Its modular design let attackers choose their method: phishing, USB drops, and more. SET proved that human error is often the weakest link. The key: train your staff and stay skeptical of unexpected emails. Education is your best defense against social engineering. Last up is Hashcat, the high-tech password cracker. Hashcat used GPU power to guess millions of passwords per second. It supported advanced algorithms like bcrypt and SHA-512, making even tough passwords vulnerable. Hashcat's attack modes: dictionary, mask, rule-based, optimized cracking efforts. Combined with leaked password lists, it was devastating in the wrong hands. Defenders need strong, unique passwords and modern hashing with proper salting. Password security is an ongoing arms race. That's 12 free platforms hackers used in 2016 to break into websites and networks. The goal here is awareness, so you can defend against these tools, not use them. Cybersecurity is about being proactive and learning from the past. Update your software, use strong passwords, train your team, and stay alert for new threats. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let us know what cybersecurity topics you want next.